Hey everyone, I'm excited to dive into the world of investing with you today. If you're new to this, don't worry, I've got your back. Investing might sound complex, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Let's break it down. First things first, what is investing? Simply put, it's the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even startups. The goal? To make your money work for you. Now, before you jump in, there's something crucial you need to know. Your mindset matters just as much as your money. Successful investors share a few key traits: patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. You've got to be in it for the long haul. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Educate yourself. Read books, watch videos, and follow market news. Knowledge is not just power, it's profit. The more you know, the better your investments will perform. Step 2. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many platforms now allow you to buy fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. This means you can invest with as little as $10. It's all about taking that first step. Step 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets. This reduces risk and gives you a smoother ride over time. And here's a secret tip. Automate your investments. Set up regular transfers to your investment account. It's easier to invest consistently when you don't have to think about it every time. Before you know it, you'll have built a substantial portfolio. Finally, keep emotions in check. The market will go up and down, but stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't panic when things look bleak or rush to sell everything. Sometimes, the best move is no move at all. Remember, every investor started somewhere, and they all made mistakes along the way. Learn from them. The journey might seem daunting at first, but with persistence and a bit of courage, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful. Here's to making smart investments and watching your portfolio grow.